Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about the assignment or input statements in Java. So what is the meaning of assignment is storing value into the computer memory. Input something means the same thing, storing any value into the computer memory. So you can relate this with the example. Suppose if I am saying to you, think a number. So what processed went up by thinking a number in your mind is you are going to store any number. Suppose you have thought about 5. So which process went up in your mind? So that is you stored 5 into your memory. So in the same way here in computer, suppose computer want to store any value into the memory, so that is known as a assignment or the input statement. So assignment means if values are known, means if I am saying to you, you again relate this with the example. Suppose I am saying to you, do the addition of 5 and 6. So it means here the values 5 and 6 are known. So you will tell me 5 and 6 is equal to 11. So that is called the assignment values, and these assignment is also known as a storing value into the computer memory. You can take example int a is equal to 5. So this way what is happening here, if you concentrate here, so 5 is going to store into the a. So if we want to store 5 into computer memory, and a is the name of computer memory and its data type is integer, so 5 is going to store here. In the same way here float b is equal to 2.5f. Float means fractional value if you want to store, so you can store in this way. So this is happening when we are storing any value into the computer memory. If the values are known, if values are not known, means you can relate this with example like I am saying to you add two numbers. So obviously you will ask me, sir, which two numbers? So I will give you two numbers, then you can add those numbers. So in the first examples values are known. In the second one, that is known as accepting or inputting values, it means the values are unknown. So values will be asked from the user side, and if the user will give the values, then addition will take place. So this is called second method, by accepting or inputting values. So how we will do it? Scanner in is the object name, new scanner system.in. Okay, system.in. So this is the way when the values are unknown, values will be asked, and a is equal to in dot next int means integer value. So this is the statement through that integer value is being asked from user side, and when this statement will execute, it will ask the value for a, and the value will, whichever the value will be given by the user, that will store into the a. So this is called input or assignment statement. And there are some other statement, input statement. Next int only for inputting the integer value, next float for inputting the float your fractional value, and only next, this statement is used for the storing the words. Okay, thank you.